What you are seeing is a miniature record player that actually runs Spotify. And yeah, it actually works. So I found this round display that I thought looks just like a mini record. Then we 3D printed the whole thing with a wood grain texture. I think it turned out pretty good. Then we wrote some software to turn it into a Spotify device. It even lets you customize your vinyl, and that's pretty cool. Everything's touchscreen, so you can just tap to skip, pause, or rewind. I even added funny sound effects if you scratch the record. I'm building all kinds of stuff like this on my channel, so let me know what I should make next.